Okay, let me walk you through how to create your first TikTok ad in 2022. So the first step to do is to go to your TikTok ad manager, and you can visit this ad manager by going to ads.tiktok.com. So when you visit this, you get here to the dashboard. You have this for sub dashboard, let me call it that, the dashboard, where you can access your campaigns and where you can upload new assets and create new audiences for your ads. And then you have a section for reporting. So now in this video I'll just be showing you how to quickly create your first campaign. So you want to go to this section here that says campaign. So you click on campaign. Wait for it to load. Okay. All right. Okay. So sorry, I want to quickly do this. Okay. So when you get to this campaign section, you are going to be hitting this create button. And here you will be asked to select your advertising objective. So do you want to create more awareness, consideration, or conversion? If you are used to Facebook ads, they are very similar to what you get on the Facebook ad dashboard. So reach, for traffic, for app installs, video views, or lead generations. But in my case, I'll be going for the conversion option. So I'm going to select conversions, which is to drive valuable action on my website or app. So conversions, here I name my campaign. You put your campaign name. Now you can decide to create a split test. That is if you want to compare two different campaigns, and if you are going to be having two ad groups underneath each campaign, that you can go with campaign budget optimization. But since it's just one, we'll be setting the budget on the ad set level, or in this case the ad group level. So hit continue. Okay, so this is where you select the audience and everything, and I'll be showing you how to do that shortly. So promotion type to the app or your website, depending on where you want to go. Your website. If you're running ads to a website, then you need your pixel. I think you can create that on the dashboard in your business manager account. And then you select the optimization events. For these, are going to be going with the complete payment. So TikTok has complete payment instead of purchases. So we're going to be selecting complete payment. And then now we want to select the placement, automatic placement or select placement if you want to choose your placement manually. But we would let TikTok decide that, so we are sticking with automatic placement. And now this is important. If you want to allow TikTok to generate variations of your ad, copy your creative, then you can decide to click this. This will give you a leeway in creating different versions of your ads. So I'm going to select this automated creative optimization, and then this is the targeting. Select custom targeting, that is, you want to create your audience yourself. Automatic targeting, which allows TikTok to automatically show your ads to relevant users. Then you select the location. Now the languages that you want your ad to be displayed in. And this is the gender. For example, you want to target male or female. And this is the age you want. So for the age, since I'm going broad, I'm going to be selecting from 18 and above. So you select this age group, and then you can move to your audience. You can include this if you have a custom audience, or you can exclude a custom audience. For example, people that have visited your website, you can exclude them, but we won't be doing that here because this account is really new, so we are just still trying to build traction. Yeah, if you want to add interest, you can click here, add interest. You can search the interest here. You can search different kind of interest depending on the product you're trying to sell, and you can target by behavior, video interactions, watch to the end, liked, commented, shared, just to determine the intent of the audience. Or you can target by creator interactions or using hashtags, popular hashtags. Okay, so now this is the budget and schedule section. So here, our budget is $800 or dollars rather, and then here you can decide to set an end date. You can decide to send an end date for your ad, and the schedule, like, do you want it to run all day or do you want it to run at specific times? For example, if you understand that your audience, they are not active at this particular time and you don't want to waste your budget, you can decide to select the scheduled time. And now the next step is the bidding and optimization section. What are you optimizing for? This value means the ROAS, the return on ad spend, and this conversion is just conversion, purchases, and then you can optimize for click. In my case here, I'll be going for conversion. Then here it is important, you'll be choosing your bid strategy here. Now I know when I put $800, we're like, oh, wow. But the bid strategy I'll be using here is the cost cap, which is keeping your average cost around or lower than your bid. Like, there is a target cost per action that we are aiming for, so I'll be going with the cost cap. For example, if you are using the lowest cost option, then your budget can be around from like $50 to $100. Yeah, okay. Now the cost cap is $40. All right. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, the billing events will be charged per CPM, delivery type, standard. Okay, so I think we are done with the ad group settings. Then we'll move to the next stage, which is the ad. This is where you select the creatives that we'll be using for the ad, and you also, put in the ad copy. Okay, so select the custom identity, which is the page, the TikTok account you are running the ads for, and then the text. Sorry. Okay, I think this is that. And here, the website, the destination. What is next? Okay, we have customized call to action text. I want to leave it as to be dynamic, which means TikTok would, generate variations of my CTA for me. I think this is this. Now, we selected automated creative optimization earlier. So this basically means that now we have the option of selecting 30 images or video, 30 images or videos, which is really cool. So now you have the option of uploading the image or the video. You have the option of creating a new one. But if you've actually uploaded videos here in the assets section, just as I showed earlier, I didn't show adding the videos, but I just showed that you could do that here. Then you can just go here and then select from your library. Just click select from library, select video or select image. We are going to be using videos because it's TikTok. Okay, now you can see I have my creative. I have them uploaded here. And just like I said, you can use up to 30 videos or images, but in my case here, following the brand guidelines, I'll be using just 5 images. Okay, I already used this 5, so just go ahead to select the videos you like to use. Select the videos you like to use. After you've selected your videos, then you click confirm. Okay, so the really cool thing with TikTok is that uploading your videos will be analyzed automatically. So if you have potential issues with your ad creative, you would get a notification here, and it would tell you the videos that have issues and what you can do about it. Probably you need to add audio, or you need to remove something in the video, so that would be shown to you here. So fortunately for these videos that I've selected, there are no issues detected. So the next step for me is just to review my ad. Okay, yeah, I'm going to be naming this. Sorry. Okay, and I think that is all. When you're satisfied with all the selections that you've made, then you can go ahead to submit your ad. And voila, you've created your very first TikTok ad. What is left is to wait for TikTok to review the video, and when it is reviewed and it has passed the approval process, your ad should be active, being redirected to the dashboard, and you can where you can check and stay up to date with your ads. You can check the metrics for your ad, the impressions, the cost per click, and how much you're spending, your budget. Sorry, this is taking. Okay, yeah. Now we have it. Okay, I think that is all. That's how to create your very first TikTok ad. Thanks for watching to this stage, and if you found this helpful, it would be great if you can subscribe to my channel. I create helpful content like this from time to time. Thanks again, and to the next time.